Hi, welcome to OPSRACE training program. So previously we managed to prevent the conflict. Let's create conflict this time. So these are the content of b.txt. Here is change and some change on the fourth line. Let's make this change in the remote repository. Okay, I have made the change in the b.txt on the same line as of the local change. So now if we try to pull this, it will create the conflict and it will force us to resolve the conflict here. So this is local change and that was the remote change. So let's try to pull the remote changes. It will cause the conflict and it's saying that you have to stash your changes. So git stash, so we have stash of our local changes. Now we will again issue the command git pull. The remote changes are now local. So if we print the content of b.txt, so it says here is my so another developer change this. So we have now the remote changes. I want to pop my local change. Now there is a conflict, it's not able to merge them, and that's the reason it is showing this error message. Okay, so in order to resolve this conflict, let's see what is inside now b.txt. So here it has added this thing like updated stream. So this is the remote change and this is my change. So let's say I have to keep all these changes. So I will just simply remove the extra content, Control X, and now we have modify the change, add this change b.txt and again git status. So it's now being tried and we can git commit -m. My feature is complete now. Now we can see how we pull all the changes from other developers and then we merge it in our local repository and we have applied our changes as well. Now we want to commit these changes and then finally we'll git push so that these changes are reflected on the remote repository as well. Refresh this page, we can see here all the changes. So that's how we resolve conflicts. It's always better that we stage our local changes. So this is a journal practice, a simple zombie practice. Whenever you have to get the latest changes, you just stash your local changes, git pull, so that the remote changes are applied locally, and then you pop your stash, and if there are any conflicts you resolve them. After resolving, you can commit your code if you are done with your feature. Okay, so that's it. Let's meet in the next lecture.
Please subscribe to our channel.